This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 57 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. Yes, this is almost a non-build issue. There's some stuff to do, but we'll get to it after looking at the magazine. Dylan Gould. Name doesn't sound familiar, but I'm sure he did well in the films. Primal Instinct. Yeah, we've got the primal ones, the gorilla and stuff. Vaguely remember them. Rumble. The name sounds familiar, but I can't really place him. Beast Wars continuing. Beast Wars Neo. No memory at all of that series. It sounds very Japanese. I don't know it's all Japanese, but you know what I mean. So yeah, feel free to read all if you like. So yes, this issue we've got our remote control, which we don't even have to assemble. It comes as is. We have to put the battery in, which I've already done. I don't know that we can test it yet, but we'll figure it out as we get told what to do. What we do have to do is plug in some more plugs into the back. I don't know why we're doing them now, but I suppose it's to give us something to do in this issue. So let's clear this out of the way and let's have a look. So our part supplied today is a remote control. It's interesting. It's not got any infrared on it. It must be sonic, I would assume. It's got a single button, which obviously doesn't do anything at the moment, but I'm sure it will as time goes by. So yeah, that's what we've got. The only part of building we've got to do is with the torso, which we've got obviously from many issues in the past we've been building up. So I've got two wires to connect. The two wires that I was worrying about before, which are floating around loose in here. They do need to go onto the circuit board, and they need to go in behind lower than the others, so I'm not going to be able to film doing any of that. But basically they need to go in underneath these two, underneath those two actually, under there. They are numbered and labelled with N and anything else. The other one. M and N. Make sure you get them the right way around. But that's all I need to do today. So I shall do that. I might need to unplug these to get behind there to plug them in, but it's going to be fiddly, difficult stuff, so I should do that. One point of interest. I've lost a bit. I noticed last time I didn't have the windscreen wiper on that side. I've checked back through previous videos and previous photos that I've taken, and it's been missing for a while. So I don't think I've got any chance of finding that at all. It wasn't a great fit. Actually, that's not great either now. Yeah, some of this is very delicate and needs attention. That seems to be okay, but that side's not so good. I'm going to upgrade my storage facilities for this and keep it separate now. Now I've finished the Enterprise build, I've got a big drawer that's available for this. So I shall be keeping it in there now. What I will be doing is making up a replacement. That one's in there nice and secure, so I don't know why that one wasn't. I shall be making up a replacement windscreen wiper and obviously attaching it. So yeah, and I'll also tidy up this bit. Oh, it's bent actually. Must have got squashed somehow. So I shall tidy up and sort that out as well before we get back to the actual building. So for now, that's it. This issue is done. I haven't looked ahead. I'm not sure what the next issue is going to be, but hopefully it will be some more building. I think there's something to do with the neck. So maybe we'll eventually be able to attach the head to it. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Stick around to find out how things go together and how it all works. And I'll see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.